Welcome back to Trick Shift Garage, everybody. Today we're going to be replacing the starter motor, the starter solenoid, and the PCV valve in my 1995 F150. The reason why I'm replacing this is because I went to start my truck the other day and there was nothing. I checked the battery, everything was good. The alternator I know was good because there wasn't any signs the alternator was failing. So I got underneath the truck, hit it with a pipe, started right up after that. So that's what we'll be doing today. So the first thing we're going to do is remove the negative terminal on the battery, and then we're going to replace the starter solenoid because that is easiest to get to, and then we'll proceed to the starter afterwards.
Okay.
So here we go.
You got your wires all hooked up. And...
Yep.
All right.
Ah. Fuck.
What? That just break?
Yep.
Shoot. We're gonna have this done in 20 seconds. So there's the old one. And Bob, show him the new one.
Yeah, it looks kind of...
Doesn't look too bad.
Yeah.
I've seen worse. I've seen it so bad, so like this part right here,
Yeah.
you don't hear that rattle. It's all just sticky, and
So it's all screwed
that's when you
up.
know you got a bad one.
It's all gunked up.
Yeah. But, I mean, it doesn't hurt to put a new one on. Especially when they're, how much?
Like $2.
$2, yeah. Can you see it?
Yep, there we go.
Way in there, if you can get past your head. I'm trying to show, but it's just hard to get to. Right there. There we go.
We'll start up and let it run for a little bit.
Looks good.